Is that type? Is that
Baby frog.
Baby frog, baby froglet.
Cheese and peas, you know what fast?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Baby frog.
Froglet.
I love these island grass. You rock my world. Pretty little thing, got a shape and everything. We're more than pearls.
What's up? Welcome back to another vlog. The day of Rushing. Right now I'm on the road and I'm heading to the hardware store. Look at my nose trying to peep out. I'm heading to the hardware store and I'm going to take you guys with me. I have some stuff to get. I feel like I have on this mask upside down. I really don't know. But in the meantime, in between time, it keeps sliding, so I think it's upside down. I'm gonna show you what Kingston looks like, as I usually do. Hold on, I'll turn it around. Yeah, I think it was definitely upside down, even though this feel like to squint my eye. So, heading up to Ligonier right now, so let's go.
Pop your melanin, girlfriend, pop your melanin. Pop your melanin, girlfriend, pop your melanin. Girl, you black, and you beautiful. Girl, you black, and you beautiful. Pop your melanin, girlfriend, pop your melanin. Pop your melanin, girlfriend, pop your melanin. Girl, you black, and you beautiful. Girl, you black, and you beautiful.
When I step into a room, my skin is glistening. Every eye step in is they're just glistening. And it's all because of my beautiful melanin. Confidence is on 100 when I'm stepping in. It's because of my royal blood, I'm a goddess here. And because of who I am, there's nothing that I fear. And it's all because of my beautiful melanin. That's why my confidence.
So I just came out to the hardware store. They don't have anything that I want. Actually looking for supplies to do some DIY projects that I have in mind. But Super Valley don't have what I want, so I'm gonna head to another hardware store now and see if I can get it. Right now, as you guys can see, this new normal way of living and being, everyone has to wear a mask. Everyone has to wear a mask. It's now mandatory that you wear a mask. So even the stores on the outside telling you that you can't come into the store unless you're wearing a mask. And my mask squeezed me, oh god. But I can't believe this is the way we're living right now. It is crazy. I don't want to be on the road too long. I just want to get what I get in and go back home, start them DIY projects, film a video, edit my video, do whatever work me have to do. You know them way I really want. They're on the road, so don't come on the road unless you're just going to get something and go back home, which is exactly what I'm doing. And then we have curfew that starts at 6 p.m. every night right now, or every evening right now. So the stores are all closed from 4 p.m. which means that anything you have to get done, you have to get it done before 4. Right now it's 3, so I literally have an hour before all the stores are closed to go and get what I want and then head back home. So yeah, so I'm gonna come. Oh shoot, I drive past the gas station and I only have 10 kilometers worth of gas left in that tank. Can you imagine? That's the next thing. Keep your gas tank full in these times. My gas tank empty. I get 2090. Pay with card now. Yeah. Cash only. Alright, thanks. Guys, look, I have 5 kilometers left. I just stopped at the gas station and them tell me cash only transactions. So I need to find a gas station that accepts cards. Let me go here. I'm in Ligani. Across from Sovereign. And I'm at the Texaco gas station, so it's cash only. So I need to find one that accepts cards, because as you can see, I'm about to run out of gas. I need to hurry up and get some gas, or I'm gonna run out of gas. I'm gonna run out of gas. I'm gonna run out of gas. You don't want to run out of gas. You don't want to run out of gas. You know what I'm saying? How no coping though? I'm asking you this every vlog, but really, we just want to make sure that everybody keeping safe and keeping alright and just okay, you know what I mean? Just keep safe. It's hard, I know, but keep safe. Suggest some videos that you think I should do during this time that we're all at home, you know, and some people bored and stuff. What do you think I can do? I've been thinking about what should I do that's a little different, you know, that's fun, entertaining, that you guys would want to watch. What's that? I don't know. Come on, man, you drive no man. Anyways, back to the road, man, show no one road. Cards here because I really don't have no gas. No, I really don't have no cash, so I hope they accept card. And a mask on. Let me just be proactive and find my card while we wait on the person in front of me to get the gas. You guys accept card?
Huh?
An accept card?
Yeah.
Can I get 2090? So thank God this place accepts cards. So the mission is completed. Getting gas. You look so.
For me?
Yeah. You look so miserable. Who trouble?
I
don't say miserable looking?
Yeah.
No man, if you smile more, man. Look at you smile nice. Either they hide it and miserable of yourself. Savings. What time you close? 4?
4 o'clock.
I just have 1 hour for go, man. Just smile and go through for the next hour. Just smile and go through. Thank you. Yeah? I'm sorry. Alright, so we're going through now. We're on Hope Road. Old Hope Road? Old Hope Road. So we're on Old Hope Road. Yes, thing tight. So we're on Old Hope Road and then I'm gonna head on to Hope Road now. I think. Yeah. Anyways, let me show you. Welcome to my video. My YouTube channel.
Oh, you have a YouTube?
Say hi, introduce yourself. What's your check? Your name, man. Look who you talk. Look how you talk so long and now the camera.
No, because it was unexpected, you know?
Okay.
So, what do you do basically for YouTube?
I'm going to watch it and you find out.
Okay, so you have a... Okay. You can't do your number and send me the link.
No, I'm going to send you the name of my channel and you'll find
so
everything.
So just send me the link?
No, I'm not sending you the link. You must learn to do some work. I'm going to put it to work. Right?
Alright, cool.
So you must know if you are going to remember the name or not.
Just send me the link.
I must give him my number. Should I give him my number? I don't think so. I'm here. I'm waiting for my screws. See it off now? You happy? I'm in a hardware store. I'm buying screws and paint and panel and a bag or something. And this gentleman he's helping me out big time.
Exactly.
Yeah, he's getting all the things I need. But he's asking for my number.
It's Corona time, so I have to strap up, you know?
Yeah. I didn't forget your name. I don't even know what your name is.
My name is Carlos.
Your name is what?
Carlos.
Huh?
It's Carlos.
Don't, Carlos should go and watch the video, right? Carlos should go and follow me at Rochelyn on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, on everything.
Oh, no, I'm not use Facebook.
Me neither, but it's better.
Okay.
So find it on online and you'll find me.
Hi. I've always told them actually.
What's your name?
I'm Owen.
You're Owen?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Owen. See there.
There we go. Okay. Also on our videos.
Sheena, click on the dice, then click heads up, and then click act it out. Play with my friends. Play.
Daniel.
Oh, it's Daniel. I don't know why you're gonna do that one, girl.
Wait.
Yes. Oh, you get ice skating from that. Press the ticket. Press the ticket.
Wait. Alright.
Pedicure.
The singular one. There's a color.
What am I doing? What? Cutting your toenails?
Yes.
Yeah.
Clipping toenails. Daniel, do this every day.
Wait. Let me try and show you quick. Fast.
Daniel.
What?
Snowboarding. Daniel, Dan did it, you're up.
Okay.
Alright, here's the clue. Slow. It's slow and it's black. No.
It's an insect. Worm.
Blind.
You put salt on it. Oh, slug.
Yes. Slug, correct.
It's always the on chest.
Man, kick.
Yes. Pass.
Oh. Is that Chinese lizard?
What? Salamander.
The thing they were always there in rubbish overseas. The black and white thing, and they have black eyes. Right, yes, sir?
Oh, raccoon?
Right.
No, we're not. Yeah, one good man.
It's
It's
a
a
fictional thing.
It's a pony.
Unicorn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The hotel at New Kingston.
This is the heavenly version.
No, the hotel at New Kingston.
Yeah, that work.
The hotel at New Kingston. Say Pegasus. See?
Oh, it's a type of monkey. And
Gorilla.
No, next one.
I don't know them there. I know monkey. Oh.
If they way up in a Yellowstone National Park and they look like goat sometimes, but as a big...
I don't know what that is. Bison? Next.
It rhymes with whale.
Tail.
It rhymes with whale.
Snail. Tail. Snail. Krill. Brill. Quail. No, Mongo again.
You get the hardest one.
Mongo again. I don't like that.
Alright.
Ready. I don't like this game.
Man goat.
Ram.
One good. Yeah.
Go.
Oh, is that type? Is that
Baby frog.
Frog of baby? Froglet?
Cheese and peas, you know what fast?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Baby frog.
Froglet.
You know what fast?
Oh, Toad. Shoot.
Oh,
The
the
panda.
Tip.
Oh, no. Yeah. Oh my God, what is it? Oh, is zodiac sign too.
Scorpio.
Yes.
Not it sounds like cantaloupe.
Antelope.
Right.
Alright, this is a person again. Thief. Oh, it's a 3-letter person. Man.
Domestic man.
Girl. Boy. Child. 3-letter.
Mother?
No boy.
No.
Son.
3-letter, yes.
Wow. Flower pot. Vase.
Put that over here.
Jug.
Glove?
Yes.
Oh, no, it's an 8-letter word. It's a glove.
Mask. What
Yeah,
is
that thing is so clear. You see, look up at the
golf club? Wow. Object 3-letter. Tin. Can.
Not even try it, right, girl?
3-letter object, man.
Bread. Rat.
I'm gonna eat pieces of bread. Christmas time, can I talk?
What a 3-letter?
It's a 3-letter word.
Rum. Ham.
Yeah.
Yo, could the am.
I'm a fool, yes, so say that.
Drip.
4-letter object.
Is that liquid?
Pot.
If it's a drip, it's what?
Leak.
Yeah. No, so then this now. No,
First-
I don't open this, but
Bread pan.
no,
Pot.
it's a different part.
Stove. Burner.
Amaze.
No,
Burner stove.
yeah, everything I'm a jigger. Bread.
What is this? What was this?
A bread. It's a bread.
I don't know, Brandon.
Okay,
House.
and you hang it up. What is it?
Picture. Frame.
No, yes.
Upside down triangle.
A lamp.
No, it's a drink.
Martini.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to talk though. Our heart.
Is
Don't talk.
Basketball.
Football. Where's the basketball and that? Booty. Tree stump.
Door.
Jesus. Oh, nasty them somewhere. This is,
It's a road.
yeah, and
River across the road.
this. What is this over the road?
Bridge.
Yeah, bridge.
Bridge. Car.
No, wait.
Yeah, it was cat. Keys and peas. Boy. Here.
Among. Here. Oh, Jesus.
Hand. Palm.
Glove.
Gloves. Something look like gloves though.
Girl.
A girl.
What pin they play with?
Dolly. Oi. Doll.
Object class. What is?
I don't know this one.
Bread. Patty.
First.
First, yeah. Horse.
Horn. Alright, so we're playing charades, but it's a Jamaican version. And let me take the iPad out of the case. You guys can see the iPad properly?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna hit play. And what categories you want to do? Patois, places, dancehall, getaway, high school, act it out. Places.
Choose places. Let's go.
So you guys gonna describe it to me and I try and figure out what place it is. Ready?
Yeah. They say to it.
I'm trying not to look in the camera.
St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth.
Black River?
Yeah.
That's the only place we know.
And a box there.
Portland?
It's an animal. And the next word rhyme with red.
I don't know what that is. You gone?
Skip.
We're not doing that one there. Okay. When them you want us to go rafting.
Panda eat it. Pandas them eat it.
How much for know panda eat?
When them use for go rafting.
Boat?
No, when them use billet.
Bamboo?
Yeah.
Man, you say panda eat it?
Terminal, just make it a man time.
Tea?
Which one?
Mint tea?
No.
Garlic tea?
Them call the girl them say no.
And yellow.
Okay.
No, them call the girl them, the idiot girl them.
Yamed.
Yeah.
You drink it when you're sick.
Tea.
Contact them up.
Soup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chicken soup.
Yeah.
You
Love
love
it.
Curry chicken and rice, enough pepper.
Yeah. You can skip.
Skip. Shit. I'm gonna explain on that to you either.
Your favorite thing? Freaky girl.
Pepsi. Treat me like a bottle of Pepsi.
Me know an Aishan.
He play a guitar with one string.
Brush one string.
Oh! You just come from jail from
Bunji Bantan.
Rasta, yeah.
Then I said, no, she not say nothing.
My name is Skip. I did nothing, you know.
Ugly, I wanna the
Ninja man. For him?
petty thief.
What? Come now, Kuzma.
Skip it.
The man is Tiger answer.
Beanie Man. Cartel.
Wait. The man is not the artist. You're the fucking beat man.
No, it's a king of dancehall.
What are the beat man and king of dancer?
Of course, I'm the self-fucking them king. Cartel is the world boss. Beanie Man and the king.
Yeah, there is so much in this.